Hi, my name is Tobi from metaFox, and in this video I will demonstrate you how you can work with picture cards to create a deep peer coaching journey online. Maybe you have worked with picture coaching cards also in the real world, in person. Here you can see the metaFox Growing Together card set. Or maybe you have also even worked with them online, but only on a more light warm-up kind of level. If any of these, then this is the video for you to dive one step deeper in your coaching practice as an online coach working with pictures. What you can see here is a Miro template that's freely available, provided by us. And as you can see here, we have created this as a 45-minute peer coaching journey that helps your clients to resolve a personal challenge with pictures. Pictures have the power to give people a new perspective on the issue, and that's exactly what we are doing here. This is a short example exercise that you can, of course, adapt to your needs. We took it from our 3-hour online experience that you can also find on metaFox.eu/experiences. And what we are doing in this peer coaching exercise is we ask people to relax and arrive. First of all, go over the cards and then pick one that represents a personal challenge that they're currently having. So we would guide them here, and here people can then basically pick a card, move it around, or also use Control C and then Control V to copy paste it down here. I can increase it in size, I can zoom in as I need, and then you can work with your client, have them personally reflect on it by themselves. Or what we are doing here in the next step is a mindful listening exercise. So we send peer coaching couples into breakouts and then have a person B describe this photo from their perspective to person A, which can also often have a powerful effect on the challenge of person A, hearing this other perspective, looking at that challenge without actually looking at the challenge, but at the picture that represents it through the eyes of another person. This can be quite powerful and is one of the ways you can use this. In this example, we enable people to pick a card, which also helps them to really make a choice, experience this sense of self-efficacy of picking a picture like you would do also in the real world, and have that as one way to work with picture cards online. But that's not the only way. In the next step down here, when we tackle the question, what holds me actually back in the context of my challenge, we ask people to pick a random card. In the real world, we would just, turn over cards and have them select by only seeing the back of the cards. That's of course difficult on a digital whiteboard, but we also can solve that challenge. What you can see here is also a set of equally looking metafoxes, and here we can basically ask people to just pick randomly, maybe this one or maybe that one, and then actually use the delete key from our keyboard to remove that card. And below we can see comes a photo that I can again move or paste down here and work with this now as a random card and explore it in terms of what do I see here, what detail strikes me, what do I see, what meaning can I take out, what do I miss. So we can work with this card that fate has chosen for me. So this is another part. Again, to recap logistically, we just take this card and remove it either with the delete key or also just by moving it. And underneath there's a bunch of other cards hidden. So feel free to adjust this to your need. If you want to work with more cards, you can find the full set of the metaFox Deep Pictures Original on our website, and you can select if you only want to work with the digital version. There's a bunch of different files provided here, or if you want maybe the print or both print and digital in the deluxe version. So much from me. Thanks for joining. If you want, you can also, of course, get started by simply using the free Miro template that I just demonstrated here. Looking forward to see you on another video. All the best. Bye bye.